Hello. Welcome to another episode of Talks Without a Map, the podcast where we start with a topic and then take emotional U turns, intellectual detours, and a few snack breaks on the way. मैं हूँ रिधिमा, your unapologetically expressive, occasionally dramatic, always curious co host.
And I'm Rohan, your logic loving, slightly sarcastic, full time realist, and part time therapist for this madness. Together, we decode life with one unscripted conversation at a time. No filters, no GPS, बस दिल से दिल तक बातें.
Today's topic: why do women talk so much? Rohan's favorite topic.
Should I say more like, do women talk too much? This is I think less offensive, no?
Yeah, oversharing, emotional downloading, WhatsApp voice notes longer than movies probably. क्या ये सब biological है, cultural है या just therapeutic?
Or is it just one of those things we love to say about women? Today we are talking, decoding, laughing, and maybe oversharing ourselves a little bit. So chalo, let's get talking.
So, okay, here we go again. Why do women talk so much? Seriously, this topic has been chewed more than like zillion times. But today we are going to unwrap it like that extra chatpata pani puri kinds. Spicy, surprising, and maybe a little emotional.
And predictable. Like I knew you were going to start with food. But honestly, this whole women talk too much thing, where did it even come from? मतलब किसने बोला कि ज़्यादा बोलना गलत है, or is it just society's way of saying shut up, but in a sexist font?
Exactly. And FYI, there are studies that say men and women speak roughly the same number of words a day. But women are more expressive. We talk feelings, not just facts. And men be like, I had lunch. Women, oh my god, I had this gorgeous sushi roll with wasabi, so strong. I saw my past lives flash by.
You say, like, just right now you mentioned that women and men roughly talk the same number of words.
Yeah.
But right now, कितना मतलब ये? I had lunch का कितना हो गया? OMG, I had this whatever. कितना मतलब you have said? That's very true. Also, I feel women remember better. Like, if I forget to reply to a text, it's like, remember in 2017, 3rd April, I said, kya scene? And you replied, हाँ,
कुछ
but
भी, हाँ.
with a full stop. That full stop apparently killed the vibe.
Yes, we are like emotional detectives. We notice tone, timing, text, typos, sab kuch. But here's the thing. Oversharing is often our way of connecting. It's like we say, here's a piece of my brain, you take it, maybe you will understand me better.
बट ये जो ओवर शेयरिंग आप कर रहे हो, जितना बोलना है, सामने वाले को भी सुनने की उतनी ये होनी चाहिए
हाँ,
ना.
वो that's their problem.
वाह, सामने वाले का पेशेंस भी होना चाहिए. He or she should have interest in what this person is trying to, like, this reminds me of my mom again. I'm coming back to my mother. If I ask her, what do we have for lunch? And rather than letting me know, it's gonna be chole. Or it's gonna be this and this. She'll go like, what happened is yesterday, the bai had made this, no? And then what happens in summer, it's not good to have, अरे but बताओ तो क्या है lunch के लिए?
कहना क्या चाहते हो?
हाँ. Now she'll tell me, no, but listen, if I give you direct answers, then you will ask more questions. Right? You will be more inquisitive about things. तो उससे पहले मैं ही बता दूँ everything before you
Yeah.
ask me anything.
She's right.
But I'm like, but my question is simple. What's there for lunch? I'm not asking for logic. This is a matter of fact thing.
बट अगर उसने छोले बोला है नहीं, उसे क्यों छोले बनाए, मुझे नहीं खाने थे
तो तब बोलो ना, तब दे दो ना description,
So वो
because
पहले ही दे रही है ना.
but तब दे दो ना description, because my ears will be open ना to listen to what her side of it is हर बार. And then ठीक है with me, but with strangers also, if you keep oversharing things, strangers या जो लोग ऐसे घर पे आए मेहमान या जो भी, उन्होंने कुछ पूछा तो वो तो मैं तो माँ को बोल सकता हूँ, but they will not outrightly tell her ना, okay, now shut up now, this is.
But now I think they have their way of telling us कि अभी बस हो गया. They'll change the topic or some कुछ तो distraction करते हैं यार. वो
Yeah,
भी
but
मैंने
then there
notice
are
किया, because
some-
even I have the same problem of
I
oversharing.
know. We are going to come to that also. But I think some women narrate their entire Netflix history यार. Their breakup saga, their cat's diarrhea, कुछ भी मतलब सब आ जाता है उनके. And when it comes to you, I think your kids also keep on telling you कि
Yeah.
मम्मा थोड़ा कम बोला करो. Because then what happens with you particularly I've observed is that अरे you start with one topic and you never know when it floats into some other topic altogether. अरे एक तो topic खत्म करो.
Because I want to share so many things.
ये होने के बाद okay then I'm trying to digest and understand what she's trying to say. Okay good and then suddenly she's on to some next topic completely. For her it may be logic but for me it's not. That's how. And I think I've noticed this pattern with most of the females.
अच्छा, और
Whether it
men
is
में
my
नहीं है.
men, that is a different
हाँ.
topic. But
दारू की बात करो,
no, I don't do
स्टॉक्स की बात करो,
that. Cricket.
क्रिकेट की बात करो,
But ये तीन ही topics है ना. Women
नहीं,
don't
नहीं,
need
बहुत
only
सारे.
topics. That's the
बाइक्स
problem.
की बात करो, कार्स की बात करो,
But there is a
गैजेट्स
topics.
की बात.
These are topics, no, topic specific, and they're shared with people who have the common interests. यहाँ पे मतलब कहीं से भी कुछ भी आ जाता है बीच में without even asking you. मतलब they say no expert opinions and all those things. So these
पहले
are like
चैट जीपीटी नहीं होता था ना, तो इसके लिए हम लोग ने वो जगह ली थी पहले.
yeah,
अभी तो क्या चैट जीपीटी आ गया, बट स्टिल आई डोंट थिंक विल स्टॉप.
I understand that. But do you think we talk more as we grow older, or are young people the new chat GPT?
Oof. See, I feel it's not about age, it's about safety. The older you get, the fewer F star S
F's
you give.
basically you give.
F's you give, yeah. So you share what you want, and Gen Z, they overshare on Instagram stories. They say, "Don't judge me, I'm healing." I mean, what the F, yaar?
Now coming back to the point, I second that men also talk a lot. There are men who talk a lot, but just in different ways. Like as you mentioned, sports or stocks, you know. But give them cricket stats from 1999 and suddenly they are Arnab Goswami.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
So probably the topics are different, but men also talk a lot.
Yeah. I have a few where I have seen the opposite, where the wife doesn't talk much, but the husband like really never stops talking. Some are really informative, some are really crap. I mean, you just can't listen to that person after a point of time because they keep on talking. Verbal diarrhea जिसे कहते हैं, वो होता ही रहता है. And then सामने वाले को interest है नहीं है. The other person gives you signals also at times that you know now you need to shut your mouth, but still those people don't listen. So those are few instances where I've seen that the wife talks less as compared. Otherwise, it's always the other way around. Yeah. But I think women, they say they have higher emotional quotients.
That's
That is
true.
also why probably they try to express it through words a little bit more than men. And I think men are also conditioned कि इनके अलावा कुछ मत बोलो. Talk only what makes
the point.
sense. What makes sense. काम की बातें करो. बाकी action के जरिए दिखाओ. This is what men have been taught, whereas women are more associated with gossips, with
Gossips ना men को भी बहुत
yeah,
अच्छी
so
लगती है.
see
Please
again
don't say
now who's not letting me talk? See,
because you're saying gossip, because you're connecting gossips and women.
no,
But-
no, see now you're not letting me finish only what I'm trying to say. This is exactly what the topic is all about. What I meant to say is women have been associated with gossip. कि
Okay.
ऐसे होते हैं ना कि अरे यहाँ हमारी बीवियाँ वहाँ बैठ के मस्त गॉसिप करेंगी, उनको क्या बातचीत ही करनी होती है, वो तो एक बार बोलने लग गई तो वो रुकेंगी ही नहीं that way. But then actually it's not the way. Men are also really big gossip mongers. With my best friends we gossip from anywhere and about anyone. Literally that's the thing. It's just that we don't proudly talk about it. Whereas women are more vocal about their own vocal abilities. Is what I personally feel, because again it's conditioned that way कि औरतें वहाँ बैठ के they'll just keep on talking, gossiping and this and that. Whereas men will just sit and have some drinks and then talk just about business and
they
this and that.
connect over drinks, right?
Yeah, but
Most
it's not
of them.
necessarily that way. Yeah, so I think it's also the social thing that women
Yeah.
talk too much and all of that. Yeah.
Another thing, you want to vent out many things, and अभी तो लोगों के पास टाइम भी नहीं है बातें सुनने के लिए. तो कभी ऐसे लगता है कि you feel connected to someone, then you feel like talking to them, right?
Correct, but is that person connected that way? वो
That's
भी
his
देखना होगा.
problem. That's his problem.
Yeah, but I think one thing that women should I feel women should take care before they talk is telling something about their house or people in their house, because they have a tendency to overshare about some personal issues with friends or with other people in the family. Whereas sometimes I feel like women should ask themselves, is this person really worth sharing? Because I've seen that a lot, that women share a lot about certain things which shouldn't really get out of the house,
हाँ हाँ
go out of the house.
हम्म
तो कभी कभी वो भी प्रॉब्लम आ जाती है, बिकॉज
हम्म
women are a bit more innocent when it comes to sharing.
हम्म
उनको लगता है नहीं, मैं सहेली के साथ if I share it it's fine, if I share it with a cousin it's fine. But there some way I must say that men know a little bit more about what especially other men think.
that I
That's
agree.
yeah,
I
yeah,
agree with
yeah,
that.
yeah. So that's the reason why I feel like वो थोड़ा barrier लाना ज़रूरी पड़ जाता है. But otherwise ठीक है यार, because I know there are women who will talk a lot, but it need not be illogical or off the track.
Yeah.
They give you so much information that you feel like listening to them, and they just exude vibes which are very positive.
Yeah.
And ऐसा लगता है ना कि सुनते ही जाओ इनको, because they're also motivational, they're strong women. So that's a different thing altogether to appreciate about. So I think to sum up this episode, I feel like women do talk too much, but we should also understand their point of view
Yeah.
before we judge. And maybe as men or maybe as the listener, आप भी थोड़ा ज़्यादा बोलो, कोई problem नहीं है.
And if you're someone who doesn't talk much, it's okay. But communication isn't just about talking, it's about connecting. Whether you speak 1,000 words or 10, mean them, right?
Absolutely, absolutely. So tell us, who's the most talkative person in your life and what's the wildest thing they have ever shared with you?
Remember, whether you are team talk a lot or team silent ninja, just don't be team judgy, huh?
This was Talks Without a Map, where we never stick to the GPS. Next time someone says, you talk too much, smile and say, I'm not talking, I'm storytelling, darling.
Catch you soon. Keep chatting, but with compassion.